Good morning.
Guten Tag.
It's
Hey,
Christmas!
you're back. Nearly. Nearly
Not
there.
quite. We're getting there. Slowly but surely.
How was your rest? How was your rest, Crow?
Quite good.
Good. And welcome.
Now Pretzel's taking a nap.
Yeah, she was in the Christmas kitchen yesterday.
Oof.
But yeah, welcome to day 13, I believe.
Lucky number 13,
Look.
let's go.
Yeah,
That
let's go
is
check the
legitimately my
calendar.
lucky number.
Yeah,
Oh
it
my
is.
god, Snowmeo!
Oh no, I forgot to make it easier to get up here. Oh no.
I don't know where I'm going.
My hat! You broke my hat! Price must be paid. The price must be. How? What? How?
Wait,
oh,
what?
Oh, clever. Clever.
What'd he do?
He broke in from above.
Oh, smart.
A new element has been added to the game.
Alright.
Happy day 13, adventurers! Christmas Spirit has a special request for you all today. Apparently, one of Santa's workshops found it into a bit of disrepair over the years.
I think Christmas Spirit was a bit sleepy when he wrote
Yeah,
this. Don't worry.
that's okay. See if you can fix it up. See if you can fix it up and get some present packaging machines in working order. Christmas Spirit is counting on you.
Alright.
Oh my god, we're gonna save Christmas!
Yeah!
I'm finally gonna get off the naughty list.
How long have you been on the naughty list?
Since I stole the sleigh.
Oh my goodness.
This isn't just disrepair. This is empty.
Yeah, this place has seen better days. I think this place got robbed. Well, where should we start, Crow? You're our automation expert.
Okay.
Let's get some light here.
Some night vision would be nice.
I'm stuck in a hole. Alright, I'm out.
Okay, so what is the goal here?
We need a machine that will package presents. Come down here. Come down
Oh.
here. On the ground.
Do 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 do.
All right, that'll work. Okay. For that to work. Okay.
I'm
For
just gonna
any
start clearing
machine-
snow.
Yeah, start clearing snow. For any machine, we need power.
Okay.
Um,
And I mean, we have Christmas magic, so we have access to unlimited
Yep.
power.
Okay, Palpatine.
So
Unlimited
since
power.
it's Santa, we are what? Oh, that's cool. All right. We are going to make a steam generator.
Ooh.
Let's see if I can remember how this works.
Don't mind the noise.
Blue tanks.
Come on, it wasn't even me this time.
Don't mind the noise.
Sure.
I'm slightly concerned.
Don't mind it.
It's just a humble explosion. It's Christmassy. It's like opening a cracker.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a Christmas cracker. See? No,
Cracker? I
and,
hardly even know it. There is quite a large hole in the roof.
Yeah, I think it caved in.
Alright.
Okay, so then
We'll just patch it up, you know?
Yeah. Let's get some heaters in here to melt the snow and we'll...
Yeah. And we'll charge $6,000 for it.
Yeah.
We'd be great repairmen.
I don't know, everything I do is with duct tape.
Well, yeah, you're a duck-billed platypus.
Sure.
Platypus?
Perry the platypus.
Cactus the platypus?
Cactus! Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Let's see if
There's
I
your
remember how to
There's
do
the
this.
problem.
Well, there's your problem.
There's
It's
your
not
problem
plugged in.
right there. There's a hole in the ceiling.
I need some of this.
You know, stone that'll retain cold, but it also, you know, keep the cold out.
So Create has a wonderful thing of
Ooh.
showing you how stuff works, like
Mhm.
directly. It's really
Yeah.
nice. Okay, I need some water.
Oh, it's the ponder mechanic, right?
Yep.
Oh.
Then, so we need a mechanical pump.
He's giggling. Cactus?
Because it's been a minute since
It's
we
fine.
did this.
It's all fine.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's fair. That's fair and valid.
Long story short, everything in Create
Mhm.
works by movement. So
Okay.
all of your power is going to come from motors or engines.
Motors or engines,
So
got it.
instead of in some mods, you know, you just need to like connect it like redstone. For Create, if you want to come take a look at this.
Yeah.
So this is a mechanical pump. This is a creative fluid tank. This will give us an unlimited supply of water. But in order to make it pump out, we need to connect it using
Yeah, just like
cogs.
This. Oh,
Yep.
powered shaft.
So this is specific to nope. This is specifically something that attaches to. If you place a shaft on a steam engine, it will do this. And so then what we're gonna do, because the entire, like I said, the entire point of this direction does matter. So give me just a moment. There we go. So if we stack them up like a ladder, that will make it a little bit easier.
Now, is the Cactus? What are you building?
Nothing. What?
Oh, that's what we need. We need goggles.
Ooh.
Everyone grab a set of engineer's goggles. That's what I've been missing. Put them on your head and.
Do I have to do a degree first, or can I just wear them?
Nope, you can just wear them. It's fine.
I think Christmas Spirit certified us.
Oh god, that's dangerous.
Okay, sweet. And I have my Christmas crown on cosmetics.
Yep.
Cactus, do you want a Christmas crown?
Maybe?
I have a green one.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, open the cracker.
This way.
So I think
Right, sure.
I think part of the problem. You know what? This is part of the problem. Where we have water, we don't have enough water that's coming in.
You have infinite
do
water.
we need-
So, yes, but it's the rate that
You
it's
don't
going.
have enough water. You have infinite water. Oh no.
So if it's red, green. Oh.
And now we have a conveyor belt. And if
Cactus.
you
Cactus.
just drop something on it, you can see it move.
Yes. Oh, that's
And you
so
can-
cool.
You can chain these pretty easily.
Okay. So there's our starting line.
Yep. And so, for
Ew.
instance, there is a limit to how long. I think it's like 16 blocks. It might be longer. That would be adorable.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know
Hang on.
if there's
How do
a
I-
way.
Everything is fine.
The creative crate is what I was thinking of. This.
Okay,
It allows for an infinite amount of items to respawn.
interesting.
So I was, if these are compatible.
Cracked So, okay, sorry. Give me a second. Avoided. Okay, so what I think we need to do is move these back for a second. Because.
I will get new plushies.
Yeah.
You okay,
Yep.
Cactus?
It's fine. It's scuffed, but it's fine. Alright, where are we dropping these presents off? We need something to put them in.
True.
me
Do you want
a
to make the
second.
sleigh?
Yep, sure, I can make the sleigh sack magic.
Okay.
And then we can put storage blocks in it for create stuff.
Alright, how does one sleigh?
Sleigh Queen.
Yes. Is that how the
Yes,
meme goes? I'm not up with the trends.
Okay.
And decide.
Okay. So what we need is a. No, not that. There's a display thing. I don't remember what it's called. Here I can. Oh, depot. We need depots.
Okay.
So there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's a thing we can do to. What's the saying? Let's yada yada. Let's see, weighted ejector funnel. That's what we need.
Brass or andesite?
I think brass just means that it has the ability to filter, which we don't need. So an andesite funnel will do just. There we go.
Pretty.
Alright.
Wood.
Mangrove is red, right?
Flag.
Oh,
Okay. So now, with all of that done, we just need to power this arm, which we do by just connecting it to that. So what we can do is grab a cog. And so, okay, we can't do it with. Gosh, it's been a minute. I think we might need to get a bigger cog because that also works. I was going to connect it to the system. Yeah, because that's going to be slow. So give me.
It's a little guy.
Oh my god.
There he goes.
Yep.
Oh, that's gonna be creating entities though. Okay, turn off that power.
Yep.
Oh, he looks like he's melted.
But yeah, so that is how that will just place them onto the. And I have an idea to. If I put. That is much smaller than it used to be. That's fine.
Oh, being should meld. Gotta burn off the Christmas cookies. Oh.
I did not line that up with the door properly.
No wonder this factory went out of business.
It's fine. We'll just move the door.
Oh, we got limbo now. Oh,
Sorry, what? Limbo?
Huh?
Ow.
Eh.
No, I can't.
Oh.
I can't fit.
Nope.
Oh.
That's fine. That was my bad. Why isn't
Could you? Belt.
Why is it not letting me? What? There we go.
It was mad. It was mad that you broke it.
Oh, that's why, because I had technically selected it on a... Also, along any conveyor belt, you can insert a shaft.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So I have now used this to connect the arm to our current conveyor belt, which makes it go quite a bit faster than the other one did.
Nice. Oh no, they're getting caught. There you go.
I think that's just because that wasn't running at first. So I'm going to turn that off for the moment.
Actually, we
So-
could switch this out for cookies and just have a conveyor of cookies.
We absolutely
feeding my
could.
mouth.
So,
Oh.
if we want to,
Mhm.
we can use a mechanical crafter
I hardly
to
even know her.
create the presents.
Ooh.
Christmas present?
Because the
Yeah.
recipe is fairly simple. It's just a matter of... Nope, that's not how that works.
Ha-ha!
What'd you do?
I figured it out. Whee! Cactus, I can load it in now.
Oh my god. It's a Christmas miracle.
And then that, and then that, and that.
Did I do this swirl the wrong way around? No, it's alright. It'll be
No,
fine.
it has one at the front and at the back. You're good.
Yeah, it'll be
You
fine.
got
It'll be fine. Stop panicking.
it. I'm not.
Stop panicking.
I'm not.
I am.
Oh, budgie. Yeah, the back can be flat or have a swirl.
We're gonna give it a little bit of shape.
Yeah.
Say that like I know what I'm doing.
Can you? Alright, I'm gonna actually move this further back to here. Oh. It's all good. Nothing happened.
What'd you break?
Don't worry about
What'd you break?
this. Nothing
What'd you break?
happened.
What'd you
Nothing
break?
happened.
What'd you break?
It's fine. See? It's all fine. Everything is fine. Everything's working. as
Everything is
intended.
fine
Everything is fine.
when you're part of a team. Loading up the presents.
Into
And
the-
Christmas is a dream. That's why I'm not the musical artist.
Yeah, no.
Anyway.
He's on hunting.
Man,
Pink?
is he ever going to catch that goose? We'll never know.
Yes, yes. And then I can have it so it goes like this at the back of the swirl.
Hmm?
Yes, 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 cactus, yes.
Don't like the maniacalness of it, but you know. Alright.
Ha, ha, Christmas.
Alright, then we need something like this.
That connects to this. Yes. All right, I'm gonna make some proper OSHA supports.
You mean alpha?
Yeah, sorry, alpha. Alphaba supports.
Deposit to a depot.
Do. Man, why do we have to work for Christmas spirit? It's put us to work the past couple of days, you know?
Well, I mean, he is letting us stay, or they are letting us stay in the Christmas village.
Yeah, but I had to pay for my accommodation.
Oh. Well, that's probably why you're being allowed to build and have fun while we're doing mechanical work.
Ah, I thought it was just a naughty list thing.
Oh, it could be. You're not trusted with the toys.
Actually, since the recipe for a shulker box only needs 3, you only need 3.
Oh, okay. And then it's inputting. I'll need to input.
Wait. Hold still.
Huh?
Oh, that's because your backpack. Got it.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
very confused.
Yeah, I'm wearing my backpack.
I was right. I right-clicked on your back, and
Yeah,
okay,
I did the
so
same thing
we
to Kiera.
do have a slight issue. in
I
that.
make it so that it feeds to the back of the top and the bottom one.
And then have it feeded. Okay, that could work. Because come on. Because the problem is that yeah, currently it would just So okay, you're actually gonna want to go. I think as this will currently lead into the middle one.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
This workshop has a terrible foundation. How
All right,
silly.
so this one needed to be a chest. There we go. Well, it's got the.
Oh.
I think a whisk
Got
is what you use to make it.
Yeah. Okay. And then.
And we can just grab some shafts and connect that pretty easily. If you want to get a belt between those two.
Yeah.
And now we just need to input the different dyes. Haha!
Nice. And then we can get a guy.
Mm-hmm.
And he went
And
in.
he went in. Now, just about 2 in them, but by the time they get broken.
Nice.
This one has 3. That one had 2. Yeah, they all have like 2 or 3. I feel like that's
Nice.
pretty decent.
And then let me. Yeah! Cactus and I figured it out.
Oh,
It's going over. It's going over though. Yeah! Cactus, we did it!
Oh my god, the
Yay!
science.
I'm gonna put one more just in case because I see that
Oh,
thing
no, my bubble
bumping
blow,
up.
no!
Do you have access to the sack?
No, it's only the big man
It's
has it.
Santa sack.
True.
We're just filling it up. I'm so excited that we figured out the corner.
Well done.
We did it. Christmas is saved.
Uh-huh.
Christmas!
Wait, does it make us chime every time
Yes.
one is deposited? That's
What Cactus is
amazing.
That's fantastic. We did it.
I don't want to go in. No.
Oh, cactus.
And we have like
And we've got a
multiple-
variety and so many
It's
different
a ver-
colors.
This is awesome.
This is
Oh
fantastic.
my god, we saved Christmas.
So it starts summary. It starts with the water tank and the blazes heating up in the tank, and then the conveyor system, which is powering most of everything else.
Yep. I mean, it's powering everything. It is powering everything
yeah.
else. Everything is connected to this one thing.
We go to the Christmas magic crates, which are making the toys that the arm is grabbing, bringing us down the conveyor line to where they're being packaged. The gift packaging is being built by this mechanical crafter over here with arms that are collecting the boxes and randomly choosing die. And then this arm is grabbing the finished present box, putting it on the belt, which is collecting the toys. And then the packed present goes all the way up to Santa's sled.
We saved
I
Christmas!
am very proud of us. That was some excellent problem solving.
Well done, y'all.
My brain is getting fried though, so I'm gonna go take a nap.
Yep.
Back in Christmas Village, let's go back to being mortals.
I was in the air.
And let's go back to our cozy beds, but I think Christmas Spirit will be very happy with us.
Oh, yes.
Thank you for your expertise, Crow and Cactus.
Absolutely.
Thank you for making some wonderful builds.
Oh god, don't call them wonderful.
It's
think
the
they're wonderful.
most wonderful
time of the year.
And thank you all for joining us. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.